Voilà, bonjour, de nouveau avec la classe inversée, la semaine, la première semaine, the first week, for the first third quarter. Shall I start the unité 2, lesson 3, we'll continue with the lesson with unit 2, lesson 3, page from the main book, page 15, and from the workbook, page 20 et 21, 20 and 21. So start now with the lesson. The title of the lesson is Tu as des cousins et des cousines. The unit c'est combien? Lesson 3. Tu as des cousins. You have des cousins et des cousines. Cousins. Tu as des cousins et des cousines, féminine. So start with the nouveaux mots qu'on peut trouver dans cette leçon, can found in this lesson. Tu as des cousins, des cousines, the title of the lesson, the question, and how we can answer this question. So, tu as des cousins et des cousines, the answer, oui, j'ai, for example, 2 cousins et une cousine. You can change the number as you like. You can say 3 cousins ou 4 ou un cousin et une cousine. And for the cousin, for the girl, I say cousine. For the boy, I say cousin. So, do you have a cousin? Yes, I have 2 cousins and one cousin, the feminine. So, for the masculine, I say cousin. For the feminine, I say cousine. And the number I can use the number we studied before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the feminine, I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you like. If you don't have, you say non, je n'ai ni cousin ni cousine. I don't have cousins, as a boy or as a girl. I don't have any. But if I have, for example, I have only cousin, for a boy only, so I say j'ai des cousins. I don't say the number here. J'ai des cousins. I can say j'ai des cousins, D-E-S. D-E-S is meaning if the number is not I don't say the number. I say many. I have many. So I say j'ai des cousins. But if I say j'ai un cousin, is meaning is 1. 2 is 2. 3, 3. If I have cousine only, I say j'ai une cousine, or 2 cousines, or 3 cousines. If I have both, I say j'ai des cousins et des cousines without number or with number as you like. After that, qui est? Qui est? I mean, who is this? So I say c'est. When qui est? When I want to ask about the person, I don't know who this person. So I say qui est? Qui est? I say c'est. After that, I can say his name or I can say the relation between me and him, or the job. For example, the teacher. For example, a new student come. I don't know the teacher of French. For example, me. See, he asks qui est? He says c'est Monsieur Yahya. For example, c'est le professeur. Here I talk about the family, the member of the family. So I say c'est mon oncle. C'est mon oncle. This is my uncle. After that, c'est mon père. It's my he is my father. C'est ma mère. C'est ma sœur. C'est mon frère, as you like. So now we can know the membres de la famille et the family. Like we take it before père and mère, but we continue on the grand-père and grand-mère in grade 1. We continue now to know the other member of the family, les membres de la famille. Le grand-père in France, I can say le grand-père or papi. Papi, the equal for le grand-père. It's not like in Egypt. I say papi is for the father, for another meaning for father. But here no, papi is me the grandfather, le grand-père, or le grand-père, or papi. La grand-mère equal mamie also. La grand-mère, mamie. But if I say le père, is le père or papa. La mère or maman. Le père, papa, la mère, maman. L'oncle, I can say l'oncle or tonton. La tante, tata. La tante, tata. Then about the meaning, and after that I choose some activities to show you how we work in the class. The lesson is not difficult, only to teach them how can talk about the if they have a cousins or not, and les membres de la famille, or l'arbre généalogique. L'arbre généalogique is meaning the family tree. L'arbre généalogique. So I start here for this activity. We start with the relation between all these persons. You can find the grandfather and the grandmother. So the grandfather, c'est le grand-père, le loup, et Lila, c'est la grand-mère, and leurs enfants, their son, Mimi, Manu, Mona, the girls here, and the Manu is that their son. So we in this activity that the boy, the student will listen the age for each one. They will talk about their age, each one. After that he present themselves. After that we try to make the training about on the numbers we take it before. For example, the first one is Titi. He will represent himself. He says, je m'appelle Titi, j'ai 9 ans. So the student will write 9 is 9 ans. Another one is Titu, will say, je m'appelle Titu, j'ai 7 ans. Like that, all the activity like that. Anyway, I will try inshallah to put the link for the lesson, this presentation for each one. So this is activity to represent l'arbre généalogique, or to represent the family tree and the age for each one, and you can know here after that we'll make training about the relation between all of them, what the meaning grand-père, grand-mère, for example qui est, for example Mona, qui est Mona. Mona, c'est la fille, the girl, la fille de Monsieur Loulou et Lila. Monsieur Loulou est le grand-père de Rita, Rana, Romeo, Titi, Titu, for example. Another one is more clear for the first one, for the age and how can we make training about the age. Here we try to use the first photo, or I show you this just now. I show you this one, and to use it to make training for the next one and the third one. We can make it now. This one, observe l'arbre généalogique et écrit le prénom. It meaning we'll try to look the family tree. You can just I do it with you now. After that we'll write the name of the person he had a relation with, the name mentioned here. For example, the first here, I don't know the name. Et la grand-mère de Rana. La grand-mère de Rana. So I will return back here. La grand-mère de Rana. La grand-mère. Rana is where she has 8 years here down. So have the relation with someone. C'est la grand-mère. Who la grand-mère? La grand-mère is Lila. Exact. So Lila, I will write here Lila est la grand-mère de Rana. Titu est le cousin Titu, the name of the boy, est le cousin the son of the cousin of Romeo, Rita et Rana. Rita est la sœur jumelle, the sister jumelle, twins de Rana. Manu est l'oncle de Romeo, Rita, Rana, Titi et Titu. You can look on the tree, the family tree, when you make this activity, and you try to do it at your home, at tree for your family, and make training with the students. Et la tante de Titi et Tutu, donc c'est Mimi, the uncle, the tante, la tante de Titi et Titu. After that, the same activity by another way. Observe also l'arbre généalogique. Look the family tree, écrit les liens de parenté. Donc, with the relation between them, here I have some choices. Le frère, la sœur, la mère, le père, le grand-père, la grand-mère, l'oncle, la tante. Mimi est de Mona. Mimi est la sœur de Mona. Lulu est de Titi. Et le grand-père de Titi. Manu est l'oncle de Rita. Mona est la tante de Romeo. Titu est le frère de Titi. Titu est le frère de Titi. Loulou est le père de Manu. Mona est la mère de Titu. Lila est la grand-mère de Rita. Now, it's only I advise you to try to do it with you at home, to make the relation between the family. Your father, you write your name, and the father and the grandfather and the grandmother and the cousins and the student who will try to make a training about this activity. Anyway, thanks et à la prochaine, Inch'Allah. Merci et au revoir.